Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to send XRP on Crypto.com. First, open your Crypto.com app and navigate to your XRP wallet. Once there, you'll see a transfer button. Tap it, then select withdraw. This action prepares you to send your XRP. Next, choose crypto as your withdrawal method. This ensures you're sending XRP to an external wallet, not converting it within the app. Now, select External Wallet and tap the plus icon to add a new recipient. You'll need to accurately enter the recipient's XRP wallet address and, crucially, the destination tag. The destination tag is vital for XRP transactions, so double-check it. Take your time to verify all the details carefully before saving this new withdrawal address to avoid any errors. With the address saved, select it from your list of external wallets. Next, enter the exact amount of XRP you wish to send. It's important to be precise here. Before finalizing, carefully review all the transaction details one last time. Once you are certain everything is correct, confirm the transaction using your passcode or biometric authentication. Your XRP transfer will now be processed, and you can track its status within the app. You'll find that transaction fees for sending XRP are typically very low, often less than 1 XRP, making it an efficient option. And speaking of efficiency, why not upgrade your home? Check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to make your life easier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.